So, beautiful people, hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. If you are watching me for the first time, please subscribe. So in this video, I want to eat our delicious food. This is carrot soup we prepare. Watch out for our previous video how we prepare this soup. And this is spinach with melon. Okay, so this is our swallow. It's on my YouTube channel how we prepare this. Thank you. Subscribe. So we want to eat. This soup is delicious. Watch out how we prepare this carrot soup. Thank you. Follow us as we want to eat. Yeah. Philip, come and sit here. This is our swallow. Watch out how we prepare this food. Oh yeah, Philip.
Eat out. Philip, eat out. Yeah.
It's hot. It's hot. Philip, use your right hand. Eat swallow first.
See, Fela. See, mommy, see.
Don't use it. Use your hand. Vanilla, eat like this. Eat like this. Yeah? Then swallow.
Beautiful people, thank you for joining us. This is a carrot stew, okay, with chicken wings.
Yes, chicken wings.
Yes, water.
Mackerel fish.
The recipe is on our YouTube channel. How we prepare the
nice.
stew with
Coconut.
coconut oil. The coconut oil was the one we prepared yesterday. It's already on our YouTube channel.
Eat.
Very unique taste with the scent leaf.
Philip is hot. Take this.
So take this one. I'm gonna stop talking and eat.
Eat, you know. Philip. Yo, Dashele. Take. Don't rub your face. Yeah, eat it now. Manila. Yeah, jẹun fún ẹ.
Please, viewers, you are invited though.
You are invited. This food is delicious.
This meal, we use $10 to prepare it, which is in Ghana is about 100 Ghana cedis.
Just carrot stew, not spinach, and the salad is not yet. $10. Things cost they cost every day. It's not easy.
Mommy, eat us.
Yes.
See.
That is. The coconut oil is 100% natural and authentic. The taste is fantabulous. Wow, this is so delicious. Take.
This is yummy.
Mm. Mm. Let me show you what we are eating. Viewers, this is our meal. This is Emanuela's zone. This is our own. This is Philip. Philip, you enjoy the food? Eat, eh?
It's not.
Philip, eat. Yes, eat. Fish. Viewers, this is so
Yummy.
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 Eat. The salt. Please like, share, comment. Philip, you've eaten your own finish so fast. Okay. Yes. Take.
Philip. Go. Alright.
Mm.
Alright.
Wow.
Leave it. Leave it.
Leave it. Leave it. Take. Continue eating. Viewers, thank you for watching.
Thank you.
Share, subscribe.
Help us to subscribe.
Manola, say bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Philip, say bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
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 Hmm.
See you in our next
Next
video.
video.
Mwah.